Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Vada is one such recipe which is loved by everyone. I have made many experiments with this vada recipe. Sometimes vadas used to be rock hard and sometimes it used to be so soft that it absorbs a lot of oil. After many trial and error, I have found out one trick which worked like magic for me. So let's get started and check out the process. Here I have taken 2 cups of urad dal. Actually these are whole urad. I am adding water to clean them well. Cleaning is the most important step of any recipe, be it grains or any vegetables. Discard the water. Add fresh water and soak them for 6 hours. As is a whole urad, it's taking a little extra time. If you are using urad dal, 4 hours is enough. After 6 hours, urad dal is soaked well. Now we'll grind it in batches. At first we grind it without adding water. This is how it looks. It needs little water now. Add water very carefully and grind it again. Repeat the process till you get the smooth paste. The batter has to be smooth like this. It's soft and fluffy. Here is a trick which makes our vada soft and crisp. Take a fork or a blender and beat the batter for at least 5 minutes. Beating process makes the vada batter soft and light. Beat the batter continuously and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time to add salt. Mix it well. Now the vada batter is ready to fry. Wet your hands. Take some portion of the batter and make a hole using your thumb and gently drop into the hot oil. Make a hole and gently drop. Keep the flame on the low. Flip the sides and fry till golden brown. Vadas cook really slow, so having the patience is the key here. I have seen people showing grinding the batter without adding water, and I don't think it really works. I have tried many tricks for this vada recipe which didn't work at all, like grinding without adding water. And so these are frying now. Let them fry. It takes a little bit time here. Now vadas are ready. Serve them with hot sambar and some coconut chutney by the side. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.